Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to activate Talkback in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. Then go to shortcuts and accessibility. And here select accessibility. And here just select Talkback and just turn on use Talkback so that Talkback will be turned on. Give all permissions and Talkback is now turned on. Okay, so Talkback will be useful for using those people who are blind or low vision. Okay, so to go to the particular item, just click on it and double tap on it, then only it will go there. Okay, for going home button, just press on home button and just double tap on it and it will go home. Okay, to go to settings page, you cannot swipe down like this to go to the settings page. Just you go to use two fingers and swipe down like this, then only settings page will open. Okay, see here, double tap on it to open it. Okay, so to go to the different settings and navigation, just scrolling, you go to use this two finger. Okay, two fingers slide down or up, it will scroll. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn on Talkback or activate Talkback for needed people. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.